Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In our today's class, we are going to look at question on the board. We are still on what? Mathematical induction. The question says, prove that 6 raised to power n plus 4 is divisible by 5 using mathematical induction. Solution. At the p of n such that 6 raised to power n plus 4 is divisible by 5. Now let's look at base step. Now base step, let us test for p of what? 1, that is n equals to what? 1. We need to test for the what? P of what? 1, that is n equals to what? 1. That is the base step. Okay, what do we have here now? We have 6 raised to power 1 plus 4. Is it divisible by 5? And that is 6 plus what? 4. Is it divisible by 5? Which will give us what? 10 by 5. Is it divisible? It is divisible. Which will have it as what? 2. So hence P of 1 is true. Okay, having done that, P of 1 is true now. Now we'll go to what? Inductive step. That is case 2. Inductive what? Step. Let us test for P of what? K. That is when n equals to what? K. We now go to the question. We now have 6 raised to power k plus 4. Is it divisible? By, let's just have it as 5 what? N. 5n. Okay, now make this 6 raised to power this is make what? 6 raised to power k subject of the what? Formula. So that is, we now have 6 raised to power k is equal to, this 4 will cross the sign of equality. We have 5n minus what? 4. Call it equation star. You can now say hence P of k is true. Okay, we now test for what? P of what? K plus 1. That is step case 3, which is what? Inductive hypothesis. Okay, now which is now, let us test for P of what? K plus 1. That is when n equals to k plus 1. What do we have? From this place, we now have 6 raised to power. From n, 6 raised to power 1. Anywhere we see n, call it 6 raised to power 1. Anywhere you see n, call it what? 6 raised to power what? K plus what? 1 plus what? 4. Is it divisible? Is it divisible by 5m? Call this one m. Always remember that this m is an element of what? Positive integer. The same thing here, where n is an element of what? Positive integer. Okay, from here, by a lot of indices, we expand this. We have this as 6 raised to power k dot 6 raised to power 1 plus 4. Is it divisible by what? 5. Okay, now let's go. Finally, we are going to look at this here. We are going to finish it up. Recall equation star. That 6 raised to power k is equal to 5n plus this. Now, by law of indices, we can say 6 into what? 6 raised to power k dot plus what? 4. Is it divisible by 5m when 6 raised to power k is equal to 5n minus 4? Now, what do we have here? We have 6 into what? 5n minus 4. plus what? 4. Is it divisible by 5m? Okay, now let's go. 6 can times this, we have it as 30. 30n. 6 go to this minus 24 plus what? 4. Is it divisible by 5m? Now, when we have this in, we have minus 24 to 24 will give us 30n minus 20. Is it divisible? Is it divisible by 5 what? M. Now what do we have here? We have something in common here. Let's look at 5 into what? 6n minus what? What's 5 times what will give you 24? Is it divisible by 5m? Okay, finally, let's see it here. Having looked at this, we can say let what? Let 6n minus 5 be what? Be, you can call it be m. Let it be m. That is m equals to 6n minus what? 4. In other words, this means 5 will replace this in with n. M. 5m is equal to what? 5m. So it is divisible. Hence, you conclude that P of k plus 1 is true. Finally, we have that P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, if P of k plus 1 is true, therefore P of 1, P of k and P of k plus 1 are true for all positive integer n. That's how to do it. I hope you are okay. Now, after proving this, you now see that this 5m is equal to 5m, and if you divide it, you still get it now. That is, it is what? Divisible by what? 5. Thanks, and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatic Online Class. Follow me on Facebook, the same platform, Prismatic Online Class. Like, share, and comment. Bye.